Tired of your to-do list feeling like a chaotic mess? Let's tame the beast with Sunsama. First, let's start with daily planning. Sunsama encourages intentionality each morning. Reflect on your priorities and drag tasks from your backlog or from integrated tools like Asana, Trello, or Todoist directly into your Today section. Give each task a realistic time estimate. This helps you visualize your day's workload and avoid overscheduling. Click on a task to open its details and adjust the estimated time. Now let's integrate your Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, or other calendars to see your meetings alongside your tasks. Simply go to Settings, then Connected Services, and authorize your calendar account for a complete view of your day. At the end of your day, use the end-of-day ritual. Review what you accomplished, reschedule unfinished tasks, and reflect on your day to continuously improve your planning. To keep everything organized, use tags and areas to categorize your tasks and projects. This allows you to filter and focus on specific areas of your work or life.